Service technicians in the field are often required to perform critical checks as part of the installation or troubleshooting of equipment. This often relies on interaction with in-office personnel to validate and activate accounts and equipment. By leveraging conversational AI embedded with an intelligent automation framework, field technicians are able to streamline processes to perform account verification, execute a system status check, and retrieve a confirmation number to complete activation. By engaging with conversational AI on their mobile devices, field service personnel are able to enter their requests, supply required information, and receive a response all within seconds. Meanwhile, on the back end, automations are kicked into gear, taking in the information the field technician enters and automatically performing data entry and other mundane tasks to ensure end-to-end process completion.